Hey there, I am Ashish from Annex and welcome to our powerful Mini CMS, your all-in-one solution to manage website content effortlessly. No coding, no hassle. Just a sleek dashboard to handle items, SEO, testimonials, header, footers, users, appearance, and all your site info in one place. Let's take a quick tour and see how smoothly it all works. Let's log in. So that's the overview section, the heart of our mini CMS. Here you can quickly see the login details of the current user. Right next to it, we have item statistics showing the total number of items or products managed through the CMS. We also have user statistics next to it, giving a snapshot of all registered users, and inquiry statistics to tracking incoming queries from your website. Finally, over here we have testimonial statistics showing client feedback and engagement at one glance. This overview gives you a clear real-time picture of website contents and activity. Right. So let's come to the users section. So this is the user management section. Here you can see all the registered users in one place. You can add new user from this panel and edit user by clicking on edit button, okay, or delete user by clicking on delete. Okay, so each user detail, role and status are clearly displayed, making it easy to manage access and permissions. This ensures that only authorized user can interact with the CMS, keeping your website secure and organized. Okay, next we have the item management sections. At the top there is a search bar to quickly find any items. Below that you will see the table listing all items, where you can update, delete individual items like that. Okay, you can also have the option to delete multiple items at once, making bulk management easy and efficient like that. Right, and if you click on item title, it opens a single item page for more detailed informations and editing. These sections give you complete control over all the items on a website. Like I click on dining sofa, so the detail of dining sofa appeared. Click on book. This was just the examples I'm showing. Here's also you can see paginations, etc. Add item. From add item you can add the items, right? Now let's move to the site info section. Here you can update the website titles, taglines and a short description to reflect your brand. You can also upload your logo favicon easily. On the right side there is a live preview, so you can instantly see how your changes will appear on the website. This section ensures that your website branding and basic information are up to date. It's like you can see the information is reflecting on the right. Okay, logos, you can upload the logos. Okay, anything, right? It's like you can see it's reflect here. Okay, next we have the contact management section. Let's click on it. Here you can manage phone number, email, address, and business hours all in one place. Additionally, you can update the latitude longitude to set your exact locations. And with the map marker, you can easily adjust your location visually on the map. This ensures your website visitor always have the most accurate contact information. Let's see. I place the marker here. Here. So click on update contact. Okay. So let's refresh page. See, the new location has been updated. Now let's take a look at the inquiry section. Here all the inquiries are displayed in a table, making it easy to track and manage them. You can change the status of each inquiry to read or unread. Right? There is also a delete option if needed. By clicking on a message, a pop-up appears showing the full inquiry detail for quick review, like that. Here you can read the inquiries. This section helps you stay on top of all communications from your website visitors. Right? Next, we have the social management section. Here you can easily manage all your website's social media links in one place. You can add, edit social profiles as needed. This ensures that your website always display up-to-date social links, making it easy for visitors to connect with you on different platforms. Like I change that. See, you can see the Now let's move to the SEO management section. Here you can add new page and manage their search engine optimization settings. You can set the meta title, meta descriptions, keywords, and even the OG image for social media sharing. This ensures each page on your website is optimized for better search engine visibility and social media presence. Like I am going to add a page service. Okay, click on add, new page added. Now service. Now put all the descriptions image here. So click on save. Okay, let's delete. Now we have no service sections. Next we have the header management section. Here you can manage all the navigation links with separate settings for desktop and mobile view. You can also control the CTA button visibility, ensuring it appears exactly where and when you want it, like that. This gives you full control over your website headers and navigation for a seamless user experience across devices. By clicking on mobile menu visible, you can control the mobile menu visibility. By clicking on add link, you can add a link for desktop or mobile. Okay, so by clicking on save, it will be saved. Now let's look at the footer management section. Here you can update the copyright text, descriptions, email, phone, and address. You can also manage footer links easily. On the right side, there is a live preview, so you can instantly see how your changes will appear on the website. This ensures your website footer is always accurate, professional, and up to date. Okay, so spelling mistake. Wait. So here you can add the link. Like I'm gonna create a link. Which link? ABC. Give a URL ABC. Add link. Now you can see ABC is here. Now you can add 3 more links here. This is a preview sections. Now click on save. Fail to update footer. Why? I don't know why. Oh, this is because we have an empty title here. Read it. Now save. Now the changes is reflect here. Footer updated successfully. Right. So here is our footer sections. Next we have the appearance sections. By clicking on it, here you can customize the website colors and choose fonts to match your brand style. On the right side there is a preview, so you can instantly see how your changes affect the websites. This section make it easy to keep your website a fresh, professional look at the same time. Like see, I'm changing the color of header blue colors. Okay, you can see it's reflecting the colors. Blue color, secondary color is that. I change that. Text color, lighter, darker, bit darker. Background, you can change the background. Okay, so you can see the which fonts we are applied on the website. Click on save. Now the color has been saved. This is very useful section for the website management. Now let's move to the testimonials section. Here you can add new testimonial and manage existing ones. For admins, you can options to mark testimonials as pending, accepted or rejected. On the right side, there is a live preview to see how each testimonial will appear on the website. This ensures that only approved testimonials are displayed, keeping your website content credible and professional. Like, I'm gonna make it rejected. So you can see the rejected is not displaying anymore. If I'm making accepted, it is accepted and displaying here. Right? You can edit testimonials, change the anything, text, make ratings, update. Now you can see the updated testimonial is appeared here. It's 4 star. Okay, so that is our mini CMS panel completing within 1 month. That's a quick tour of our mini CMSs. The best part, the CMS is fully modular and easy to integrate with all React-based websites. You can plug in it and start manage your content immediately, from items and users to header, footer, SEO and pair settings, all without touching a single line of code. It is completely ready to use solution to streamline websites management and keep your content always up to date. Okay, so this is also a fully responsive. Let's check. This is fully responsive. Right.